WildBrain Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Just the way we like them.
Your destination is WildBrain Island. A jumbo giant whale plane is landing.
What's a whale plane?
Whale planes are like airplanes, only much bigger.
This whale plane is so big, the runway that's there now isn't long enough for it to land on. Your mission is to build a super long runway so the whale plane can land.
That sounds simple enough.
Maybe not. The whale plane is on its way, so you don't have much time. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, WildBrain Island.
This looks like a good place to build a new runway.
What do we do first?
We need something to build the runway with.
I wonder what's in this big crate.
It's full of rapid runway ribbon.
Rapid runway ribbon? Great! What's rapid runway ribbon?
Rapid runway ribbon is precisely what we need to build a runway. You'll see, we just have to get it out of the crate. It's quite heavy.
The mighty Sasquatch, making it happen! This stuff is heavy!
You're sitting on my head.
It will take a strong lifter to pick up that runway ribbon and carry it all the way over there.
Who's the strongest lifter?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex! Mechana strong!
I love watching Rex move stuff.
This stuff doesn't taste too bad.
No time for a snack, Big Green Machine. The whale plane will be landing soon.
Okay.
Runway ribbon nails to nail the runway down. Excellent.
A little more this way. More. Stop.
I'll unroll it.
I'll hold down the end.
We'll get the next piece. Mouse, use your super ears to listen for the whale plane.
Mouse, making it happen.
Runway ribbon unrolled. That was easy.
Sasquatch, don't step up! Runway ribbon.
It's probably not a good idea to step off the runway ribbon. It rolls back up.
Oh, I noticed that. The runway ribbon will keep rolling back up unless we nail it down. Whoa!
Trouble?
We're having trouble holding down the runway ribbon.
We'll help.
But if we all just stand here, we'll never get the job done.
You don't need 4 animal mechanicals to do this job. You just need one mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Good work, Sasquatch. Back to work, everyone.
I'll get the nails.
You need me to pound them?
No, no. Keep holding the runway ribbon down. I have the right tool for this job. Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa. Hi-ya! No. No. Whoops. What are those doing in there? Aha! One mighty Mechana hammer to the rescue! Cha!
Handy dandy tool time.
There. Done.
Nice teamwork, partner.
Hi-ya! Hee!
We have a lot more runway to build before the whale plane can land.
We can do this! I hear something!
Wow! The whale plane. It's coming.
But we haven't finished the runway.
Hey! Where's it going?
I don't think the whale plane knows where the new runway is.
Yoo-hoo! Whale plane, down here! Here's the runway! Come back! It's leaving.
It can't see us.
We need to find a way to get up to the whale plane and show it where to land.
Impossible. Even I can't stretch to the sky.
But nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals, right?
Animal mechanicals can do anything. Unicorn!
Mechana fly!
Quick, everyone! We need to finish the runway before the whale plane gets here.
This way, whale plane!
She's using her magic horn to guide the whale plane to the runway.
Follow me!
The whale plane is landing! Get off the runway!
One more nail.
Please finish hammering. Pretty, please.
Finished. Oh!
Oh! Whoa!
It worked! The whale plane has landed!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
I wonder what's inside the whale plane.
It appears we are about to find out.
More rapid runway ribbon!
Looks like we have more runways to build. Mechana, can we do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Pinball Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great!
Wonderful.
Your destination is Mechana Pinball Island.
That sounds cool!
What's a Mechana pinball?
Mechana pinballs are big balls that love to zip around in giant pinball games. The Mechana pinballs need you to pull the knob that shoots them into the game and push the flipper button that keeps them in the game. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Whoa! Here we are, Mechana Pinball Island.
That's the biggest pinball game I've ever seen.
And there are the pinballs. I think the Mechana pinballs are ready to play.
What are we supposed to do again?
First, we have to pull that giant knob there so that the spring will shoot the Mechana pinballs into the game.
I want to pull the knob. It's too big and heavy for me to pull.
Why don't we all try to pull the knob together?
All right.
Great!
Good thinking.
Let's do it.
It's not moving.
Even together, we're not strong enough.
Then it's time for me to be Rex. Mechana strong!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex pull stuff.
Look at it go!
Wow! Hooray! The pinball's in the hole!
Here goes the next one.
Hey! It came out again.
The Island Owl said we also need to push the flipper button to keep the pinballs in the game.
I want to push the button. It's too high for me to reach.
Who can reach way up there?
Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Wait a minute. I can reach it. Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Ready, Rex?
Here comes the pinball. Sasquatch, push the flipper button. Whoopee!
You did it!
The mighty Sasquatch playing pinball.
I wish I could play too.
It is a very big game, Mouse.
And I'm very small.
Only 2 more pinballs to go!
Hooray!
Hey!
Here goes the last pinball.
It missed its hole.
There's only 1 hole left, so it is very difficult to get the pinball in.
I just need to push the button harder. It's pounding time!
Sasquatch, it's not a good idea to pound the flipper button!
Sasquatch, stop pushing the button.
I'm not.
Not good! The flipper button is stuck!
Oops! Pounding flipper buttons is not a good idea. They get stuck.
We have to help stop the pinball!
It's going to get super dizzy.
I can't reach it through the glass.
Maybe, just maybe, if someone could get inside the game.
They might be able to help stop the pinball!
But the only way for someone to get into the game is through there. They would have to be very small.
And very fast to catch that speedy pinball.
Impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. I can do this.
Mouse, are you sure?
I'm going to need help. But when the going gets tough,
We team up!
Mouse! Mechana fast!
All right! She's in the game!
Are you ready for the ride of your life, Mouse?
I'm ready.
Go, Mouse, go!
She's fast!
Fast like a rocket!
Look out, Mouse!
Watch the springy thing.
Goodness, this is quite exciting!
You're fast, little pinball, but I'm Mechana fast.
Mouse did it!
Yes! We helped the Mechana pinballs play pinball.
And I got to play the coolest game ever.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Yeah!
Look! The Mechana pinballs want us to play again!
Mechana, can we do it?
We animal